Is she doing too much? That is the question that Lisa Hanna have a lot of Jamaican asking today. When Lisa Hanna recently posted a video of her on her Instagram that is going viral today. Lisa Hanna posted this video on her Instagram of her getting ready and talking about her morning routine before she get ready for a busy day. And Jamaicans are talking. Some Jamaicans thought that this was inappropriate for a woman in her 50s, a woman that is a respected politician, to be pretty much online getting ready in front of the camera. While some people thought that, look, if you have a body like that, then you would do the same. So this is not new for Lisa Hanna. Lisa Hanna have been a politician for over 20 years, and Lisa Hanna, one of the most criticized politicians in terms of the way she dressed. And I must say, when Lisa Hanna goes to parliament or when you see Lisa Hanna going to work, she's appropriately dressed. But for the past 20 years, the media, they would go out there and they would find picture online, or they would see a picture of her on the beach in her bikini, and they would make front page news out of it and saying, is this woman too sexy for a politician? So this is nothing new for Lisa Hanna. But since Lisa Hanna left politics last September, we have seen an increased presence of Lisa Hanna on social media, and we are seeing more images of this coming out. And this is not the first image. Last year, the image came out with her in her swimsuit, and that also set the internet on fire. So a lot of people are out there talking today that, is this appropriate for a woman that is over 50? Is it appropriate for a businesswoman, a mother, a politician? Is it appropriate?
I wake at 4 a.m. every morning before the world begins, asking for decisions. There's quiet work, news, emails, strategy. And every idea you see begins long before sunrise. Because people think working for yourself means freedom from a 9 to 5. It doesn't. I set 15-minute alarms when I'm getting ready, reminders that intention matters. Because ownership isn't less work, it's actually total responsibility.
Hey guys, how everyone doing? Hope everyone is doing fabulous. All right guys, so recently Lisa Hanna posted a video, right, where she's getting dressed. And the message is to be intentional. Yeah, she get up 4 o'clock every morning before the sunset to get the work done. Right, so there has been an uproar about her dressing in front of the camera and why she had to reveal herself in such manner. To me, guys, I mean, it was a bit, but remember that Lisa Hanna was a modeler, so I guess the biggest problem for a lot of folks is that her age.
And as I said, some people are questioning if it's appropriate, but there are others that are saying that, look, Lisa Hanna is 50 years old, and if you have a body like that at 50, you would show it too. And that is what a lot of people are out there saying.
Miss Lisa Hanna, you know what you do. We know what you do. Me know what you do. Me like it. Continue do it. Continue do it, Lisa. Continue.
So guys, sound off in the comment section and let me know your thoughts on this. Is Lisa Hanna doing too much? Is this appropriate for a woman that is in her 50s? Or is this something that you would see like an Instagram model that's in her 20s doing? And for the people who are out there that's saying that, look, Lisa Hanna is a beautiful woman. She turns 50 and she's all natural. And that is an inspiration, because a lot of women out there, women that are half Lisa Hanna's age, are going to Dominican Republic and altering their body. And Lisa Hanna is 100% natural, and she have a right to show as much as she wants to show. That is what a lot of people are saying. So sound off in the comment section. Let me know, which side are you on? Is this appropriate for a woman in her 50s, a politician, a mother, a businesswoman, or is this something that you'd expect from an Instagram model 25 years old? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing content. And remember, peace. I'm out.